PQI battery-grade lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate. Welcome to PQI, where we bring you the finest raw materials and minerals for various industries. Today, we have something exciting to share with you: our battery-grade lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate. Let's dive right in. At PQI, we pride ourselves on delivering high-quality lithium products for the growing battery industry. Our state-of-the-art facilities and advanced extraction techniques ensure that our lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate meet the stringent standards required for battery-grade applications. Every batch of our lithium undergoes rigorous testing in our advanced laboratory. We prioritize quality control to ensure consistent and reliable performance for our customers. With PQI, you can trust that our battery-grade lithium will meet your specific requirements. The applications for lithium-based products are vast and ever-expanding. From electric vehicles to energy storage systems and portable electronics, lithium is at the heart of the battery revolution. By choosing PQI's battery-grade lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate, you're choosing a reliable and sustainable solution for your battery manufacturing needs. We understand that efficient shipping and logistics are crucial when it comes to delivering our products worldwide. At PQI, we have a well-established global distribution network that ensures prompt and secure delivery of our battery-grade lithium to your doorstep. PQI is committed to sustainability throughout our operations. We prioritize responsible mining practices, minimize our environmental impact, and support local communities where we operate. With PQI, you can be confident that your lithium supply comes from a company that values sustainability and social responsibility. Thank you for joining us today to learn more about PQI's battery-grade lithium hydroxide and lithium carbonate. To explore further and inquire about purchasing our products, visit our website or contact our sales team. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from PQI. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for the latest industry insights and product offerings. Until next time. Thanks for watching.